Alright, so everybody, we're at City Center of White Plains. Well, we're not going to City Center. I'm sorry my lens sort of look like lasers, but here goes the bus. We just rode on the 20 yesterday with Elinor and Pinkie Pie on the number 20. 20 is my favorite number, along with 100. The 27, 1W. These buses are 27-year-olds, and 1W is a 1-year-old bus. Alright. Let's see if it changes to non-service. Let's see. Sorry, everybody. Let's see if the bus... Before we enter, let's see if it changes to non-service by the controller. It goes to out of service. Hold on. I don't know if it is changing. Except for 1W. Alright, there we go. Alright. Oh, guess what, everybody? Look, Five Guys now added the newest. Five Guys now added screen. Let's see. Let's test it. We'll get Elinor and Pinkie Pie at the end. Alright. Let's see. Cheese. Alright, I'm gonna choose ketchup. Let's see. Is there cheese? Alright. And some tomatoes. Eat healthy, large fries, just ketchup. I already had that. A milkshake. I would like milkshake. Let's see. I'm gonna choose strawberry. Alright, last but not least, some drinks. Alright, it's free. Free refills. Alright. Oh no. Alright. Let's get Elinor and Pinkie Pie. I also brought robots. Alright, everybody, here it is. Yes! I'm at Five Guys in White Plains. Are you ready to sub to eat a burger? Yes, Five Guys again. Right, Theo? Yes, here we go again. Right, Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie? Yes. And Elinor? Yes. Good news, everybody. Five Guys now installed screens now. You know why? For too many people to order food at the counter. But they added screens just like in McDonald's. Even everybody, you should try this now. All 50 United States are installed. I'm at Five Guys in White Plains. I hope that actors subscribe this, but it's kind of public less. But we're not sponsored by Five Guys. We're all good. It's just normal videos. No sponsors, no sponsors, no sponsors. Alright, I'll let you know when the food's ready. Hey Pinkie Pie, since this is your first time at Five Guys, like McDonald's or Burger King, I'll draw you. Yes, it's gonna be on the wall. Alright. Pinkie Pie, I made something for you. Oh yes, what is it? I draw Pinkie Pie out of you. Oh, one more. Balloons. Cutie mark balloons. Cutie mark balloons. 1, 2. Alright, all done. 3. Pinkie Pie, look, I made you something. Wow, that's me, everybody. Yep, I draw Pinkie Pie at Five Guys. Right here. I'm going to put it on the wall, so let's put it there. Sure. But before I do my Pinkie Pie right here. There we go. Find Pinkie Pie right now, as you can see. Oh, I think that's my friend on YouTube. That's Silversonic. I'll tell you. Subscribe to him. It's right here. Although this is not mine. But mine is Pinkie Pie. I remember they had Fluttershy, but it's gone already. But at Island, we're at Five Guys. We're at Five Guys Island. Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. We're at Five Guys. Alright. Heading Alex. Alright. Funny, my food now. Hey, Pinkie Pie, this is my shake. Oh, surprise. Alright, let me go get a burger. Alright, everybody, I hope you like this today. So, that's it. I'll see you at the end of this video. Alright, everybody, I finished Five Guys. Alright, gotta go now.